The blizzard of 2014 has officially begun in the sunny South. And then 15 minutes into the blizzard of 2014, we do have ground cover. We do have ground cover in the sunny South. And the blizzard of 2014 has concluded. Atlanta is shut down. For all practical purposes, you can see 212 is vacated. We've seen a four-wheel driver go up a little while ago, and we hadn't seen or heard from him since. I hear a car coming. And it's a four-wheel drive dually. But he's doing pretty good. You can tell by the sound of his tires that was all ice. Here comes Norma Lou out.
Oh, please.
And she's saying, please. You gonna go snowbiking, baby?
No.
What are you gonna do?
Sit right here.
That's Lloyd and Patsy's over there all iced in. And then after the blizzard of 2014 in January, now we've got ice in February. It is now have freezing rain falling. Let's see if I can get a glimpse of that tree over here with all the icicles hanging on it.
Yeah. I got them growing off my hair.
That's going to be growing on the power lines here in a little while, and then our power will go out, and then we'll have to crank up the generator. That's our neighbor Lloyd. His tree is pretty well saturated. Yep. And the blizzard of 2014 has just about concluded.
But see, whatever that is didn't go all the way up the driveway. What is that black thing laying there?
Well, that's where somebody turned around in the driveway.
Yeah, but what's that black thing there?
I don't know. Here comes a brave traveler. Huh?
He's talking about four-wheel drive.
Yeah, somebody just turned around up there.
Yeah, but there was something black in the driveway.
Mm-hmm. And that's what people are driving on.
It's either blowing off from the trees or either it's... I think it's coming down from the trees.